The Cuisinart 14-piece deluxe grill set comes contained in a solid carrying case made of durable aluminum that measures 7.2 inches deep, 17.3 inches wide, and 3.2 inches high. Each tool is well balanced and has a 12-inch handle to keep hands away from heat, and convenient handle rings for hanging. The extra-wide chef's spatula features an integrated bottle opener and a cutting edge, and easily flips burgers and more. The grill tongs are flexible but sturdy and will grip and lift nearly any food item. The basting brush is made up of heat-resistant silicone for easy cleanup, and the sensitive bristles allow for ample sauce application. The cleaning brush has stiff, durable bristles and a scraper edge that will clean the dirtiest of grills. The set also comes with 4 pairs of corn holders. The Cuisinart 14-piece deluxe grill set.